Super tasty! What are you talking about?
Just talking about Kirby.
I want to make probably 8 burgers. So I'll just rip it in half. Rip it in half again. And then rip it in half again. There you go. That'll make 8.
The chef in his element.
Don't try and talk over it like Adam did. It's cute when Jasper does it.
Hey! Thank you. Enjoyed that one, folks.
Onion into all the pork fat that drips out from the burgers. Only doing them slightly till they soften, and then they're coming out. Remember what to say?
Action. Go. Now, please. Go now. That's a lot of milk.
Whisk it around. Do you remember?
Yes, I'm actioning. I'm saying actioning.
Okay.
Action already.
Just burn me. Alright.
Quick, hurry up, I need to fart.
A little bit of nutmeg.
You can't spell nutrition without nut.
Meg.
No, just nut.
Yeah. That's true. Okay. That.
Yeah.
Pro tip.
Pro tip.
Spoon.
I'm looking at the spoon.
Are you recording?
Yes, I'm recording the spoon.
See that spoon?
Yes.
See how it's sitting in the bottle cap?
Yes.
That so it doesn't get sticky on your bench.
I'm recording the spoon. Bam. Action. Go. Record.
Alright, lasagna sheets on a small bed
Of passata sauce.
Passata.
Passata sauce.
Bust that up. Cover it up. Oh, good. Right here.